You've been given this raw spreadsheet full of student names and the subjects they're doing and the predicted grades for each of those students. However, it looks messy, it's unformatted, and you have to scroll from left to right to see all the subjects. So there's no easy way to see or capture all those subjects for each of those students easily. So you want to go from this to this, but you just don't know how to do it. Well, I'll show you how in this video. Stick around, but please do like, subscribe, and share. So I've got my spreadsheet opened up here, which I've been given from my colleague, and I'm going to format this spreadsheet to make it look visually appealing and easy to read. So this is what I'm going to do. First of all, this raw data here, what I'm going to do is convert this to something called a table. So I'm going to highlight any cell, and on my keyboard, what I'm going to do is hold down Control and press T. What that does, it brings this pop-up box up here, says where is the data in your table, and it's automatically selecting the range where there is actually data on this sheet. My table has headers, so what I'm going to also do is check this checkbox here. So click on OK, and what it's done very quickly is converted that raw data into a table. But what it's also done is added filters on each of those column headers. So if I wanted to select all the A's for chemistry, I select A, and it will bring back all the A's for chemistry, so on and so forth. I can clear my filters by clicking on clear filters for chemistry there. But you still have the problem where you have to scroll from left to right to capture all the subjects for each of those students. And to get from this to this is what I'm going to do. You can see here on this finished product, the column headers is vertical. Okay, and that's what I'm going to do here for these subject headers here. So I'm going to highlight column B. I'm going to hold down the left mouse button. I'm going to drag the mouse all the way across to the last column header, which is further maths on this spreadsheet, making sure every single column header for those subjects has been highlighted. Then what I'm going to do is go to home. And from home, I'm going to go into the alignment option here. And from the alignment option here in the orientation section here, I'm going to choose the orientation. So there's different options you can choose from. I can choose angle counterclockwise. If I click on that, it will put the subject headers like that, which is better than what I had previously, but still I'm having to scroll from left to right. If I click on the alignment, the orientation option again, the one I'm going to choose is the rotate text of this one here. And you can see I'm still having to scroll from left to right, but what I'm going to do to ensure everything is captured on the screen without having to scroll from left to right, go to the top left hand corner, click on this square in between the 1 and the A here, this corner, click on that, so everything's selected, and go between column A and B until you get the two outward looking arrows, the black ones, and double click there, and it will automatically resize all the columns so they are the same size. So it's getting to look like my final version here. So I'm going to go back to the sheet. The last thing I'm going to do is highlight all the subject headers, and the alignment here is change the alignment, so center align these so they are easy to read. What I'm also going to do is between the 1 and 2 is double click just to do that final resizing of the rows, and that is looking a lot better for me. It's easily visually appealing, it's easy to navigate, you can see each of the students, you can filter on the student you want. Let's for example say these were actual student names, and it's easy to understand each of those predicted grades for each of those students. So if I clear the filter here, the last thing I wanted to do is, you're probably wondering, how do I change the color scheme of this table? Because this is a table we're in, right? So at the top in the options here, go to table design, and in table design you've got a section here called table styles. If I click on the down arrow, you've got all the different styles you can choose from, and what you simply do is choose the style that is the most appealing for you based on your organization's needs. So whatever style you are comfortable in using, I would stick with that style there. So I'll probably go for this one. And then if I click on this down arrow again, if there is a new table style which isn't on here, you can go away and add your own table style with your own color schemes in there, and you can also clear the table style here. Let me choose a better one. That's possibly a better one there. So that's a quick and easy video showing you how to get from that raw data to a spreadsheet which is more visually appealing to you just very quickly. Hope this video has helped you. Put a comment in the comment section to see what you thought of this video, and please do like, subscribe and share.